The process of converting one currency into another is known as foreign exchange, and it often occurs for business, trade, or travel. The largest financial market in the world is the foreign exchange market, sometimes referred to as Forex or FX. With a $6.6 trillion in daily transaction volume, the foreign currency market appears to be extremely huge. The FX market is decentralized. Exchange rates fluctuate by the second, causing the market to be in continual motion. Currency trading may be challenging and risky. You might earn a profit if your prediction that one currency will be stronger than the other turns out to be accurate. The Forex market often ranks as the biggest and most liquid asset market in the world due to the global nature of trade, business, and finance. Currency exchange takes place in the foreign exchange market. Because they enable us to make local and international purchases of goods and services, currencies are crucial. To engage in overseas commerce and business, foreign currency must be exchanged. If you reside in the United States and wish to purchase a wristwatch from France, you must pay the French in euros, either directly or through the firm from which you purchase the wristwatch. This implies that the American importer would convert the USD equivalent amount to EUR. One distinctive element of this global market is the lack of a central exchange market. Currency trading is carried out electronically over the counter, which implies that all transactions take place over computer networks among dealers across the world. The absence of physical structures serving as trading venues for the markets is a unique feature of the global FX market. The FX market consists of a network of links created by trading platforms and computer systems. Institutions, investment banks, commercial banks, and individual investors all participate in this market. Foreign exchange is traded throughout the world in the major financial centers of Frankfurt, Hong Kong, London, New York, Paris, Singapore, Sydney, Tokyo, and Zurich, across practically every time zone. 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, except for weekends. After the U.S. trading day has ended, the currency markets in Tokyo and Hong Kong open. The currency market is quite active, with constantly fluctuating price quotations. Many years ago, large banks and institutional companies that worked for clients dominated the Forex market, but in recent years, it has shifted toward the retail sector, and traders and investors with a range of holding sizes have started to participate. To learn more about Forex trading, remember to subscribe to this channel. One more thing, like and share this video.